Okay, so the crumbles have started to break up. This is what it looks like. This is, definitely want to keep moving it around or it's going to burn on the bottom. So you can't be, this is not something you want to set it and forget it. You want to just keep mixing it around. It's not that long of a time, so you can turn on music, whatever, to make the time pass, but it's a nice relaxing thing anyway, just it's starting to smell really good. It's just always scrape the bottom, even though this is a non-stick pan, it'll still start sticking. So everything's fine. You just gotta keep doing that for another 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later is done. You'll know it's done because the kernels, you'll see that they've been, let me see if I can get close enough. You'll see that they've all been on the bottom of the pan, so and they've absorbed a lot of the oil. And it's really not an exact science. It's not like beef. You're not going to get sick if you. It's basically just to warm up all the kernels so you don't get any cold spots in your wrap. Okay. Now we can shut it off. Now comes the best part, tasting it. I really like these spinach and herb wraps. They're actually really tasty. I bought these Mexican blend shreds from Daya. It's dairy free. And I like to put this on the wrap. Like so. And then, well, I really shouldn't have put those tomatoes on there, but it doesn't really matter. And then you just put the wrap in the microwave for like, I do about 25 to 30 seconds. Okay, and there's the final product. Now we're gonna taste it. Well, you can put salsa on it actually, which I screwed up and put it first, but that's okay. Okay. You can add another wrap if you want. So it doesn't fall out the ends. I like to do this. So I double wrap them, like so. So that's what it's gonna look like. Super good. The tomatoes make it juicy, and you can taste the Daya cheese. It tastes just like regular cheese. You can put a lot on there if you want it to be cheesier, or like I said, you can add the fake sour cream. However you like, but I just like it like this. Super good. Let me know in the comments how they turned out. Thanks.